Class 8 Maths, exercise number 11.3. Question number 1 we are discussing now. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. So below we are having two figures. This is one cuboidal box, this is another cuboidal box. Which box requires the lesser amount of material? So to answer this question, we need to find out the total surface area of this box and total surface area of this box separately, and by comparing both the answers we can write the conclusion line of this question. If you wanted to find out the total surface area of this cuboid, we must know what is length, what is breadth, and what is height. Here you can observe this is length, that is 60 centimeter, this is breadth 40 centimeter, this is length 60 centimeter, and this is height h for height 50 centimeter. So those details we will write here in solution. First cuboidal box side heading, L for length is 60 centimeter, breadth is 40 centimeter, height is 50 centimeter, which was given. These all the details are given in this figure, those we have written here. After that, if you wanted to find out the total surface area, since it is cuboid, total surface area of cuboid, first cuboid, the general formula is 2 times of L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Here L value 60, B value 40, and H value 50. Those all you substitute here. L into B, so 60 into 40 plus B into H, 40 into 50 for this plus and this plus symbol. H into L, H is 50, L is 60, so 50 into 60. 60 into 40 will give 2400, 40 into 50 will give 2000, plus 50 into 60 will give 3000. After adding all these, 2400 plus 2000, 4400 plus 3000, that will give 7400. So 2 times of 7400, if you multiply 7400 with 2, you are going to get 14,800 centimeter square. Since it is area and all the units are in centimeter, so area will be centimeter square. Same way we have to find out the total surface area of this second cuboid. Here this is length, here L is 50 centimeter, L for length, and the next is this breadth, so breadth is also 50 centimeter, and this is height is also 50 centimeter for second cuboidal box. L for length, L is equal to 50 centimeter, breadth B equal to 50 centimeter, height H equal to 50 centimeter. Here also you need to find out the total surface area. The formula is, since it is cuboid, total surface area of cuboid formula 2 times of L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Here L is 50 centimeter, B is 50 centimeter, H is also 50 centimeter. So L into B, so 50 into 50, B into H, 50 into 50, this 50 into 50. After that, plus symbol, for this plus symbol you can write plus symbol, H into L, H is 50, L is 50, so 50 into 50. 50 into 50 will give 2500, this 50 into 50, 2500, this 50 into 50, 2500. In between these two plus symbol, here plus symbol. So 2500 plus 2500 is 5000 plus 2500, that is 7500, and before that this is to be multiplied with the 2 into 7500, you are going to get 15,000, and all are in centimeter, so since it is area, we will get a centimeter square. Observe this answer, this is 15,000 centimeter square for second cuboidal box. Total surface area is 15,000 centimeter square. For first cuboidal box, total surface area is 14,800. As per our question, which box requires lesser amount of material? Lesser amount of material to require means which box is having, which cuboidal box, either box A or box B, which cuboidal box is having lesser amount of material means lesser total surface area. So by observing both the answers, one is this is 14,800. For second cuboidal box you got 15,000. So which is lesser? First box is having lesser total surface area. Since 14,800 is less than 15,000, so we can write the conclusion line that hence the box A requires the lesser amount of material to make. A suitcase with measures 80 centimeter, 48 centimeter by 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. So suitcase is covering, suitcase measurements are given 80 centimeter by 48 centimeter by 24 centimeter. That means suitcase length is 80 centimeter. Next, breadth is 48 centimeter, and this is height is 24 centimeter. So L value 80 centimeter, B value, B for breadth 48 centimeter, H for height, that is 24 centimeter. Usually suitcase is in the shape of cuboid, and it is to be covered with tarpaulin cloth. Covered outer surface we have to cover with the tarpaulin cloth. That means we need to find out the total surface area of the suitcase. So first we will write total surface area of the suitcase. The suitcase in the form of cuboid, so that the formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So 2 will be 2, L into B, length into breadth. Here L value is 80 centimeter, B value 48 centimeter. So 80 into 80, L value 80, B value 48. For this plus symbol, B into H, B value 48, H value 24. So 48 into 24 plus H into L, H value into L value, H value 24 and L value 80. So those two multiplication 24 into 80. Next step, when you are multiplying 80 with 48, you are going to get 3,840 plus 48 into 24 will give 1,152 plus 24 into 80 will give 1,920. Since it is area and all the measurements are in centimeter, so you will get centimeter square as the units. By adding all these, you are going to get 6,912. Units digit 0 plus 2 plus 0, that is 2 only. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 2, 11. So 1 is here, 1 carry over, that 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 1 11, plus 8 19. So 9 here, 1 carry over, 1 that 1 plus this one 2, plus 1 3, plus 3 6. So 6,912, and before that 2 is multiplied. So when you are multiplying these two, you are going to get 13,824 centimeter square. So the total surface area of the suitcase is 13,824 centimeter square. This much of area tarpaulin cover is required. But here, how many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases? To here you observe, usually tarpaulin cover, if you spread on the ground, it will be like 2D shape. Let us assume that length and breadth, it is like a rectangle in shape. One is length and other one is breadth. So if it is in rectangle in shape, by multiplying length with the breadth, you are going to get area. So to complete whatever the tarpaulin cloth is there, that is to be required to cover the suitcase. So if here in this question, according to our question, how many meters of tarpaulin width 96 centimeter is required? So width is given, length is not given. Width is 96 centimeter. So width is 96 centimeter means width means breadth. So this was given, you need to find out L. So L is equal to area by B for breadth or width, whatever it may be, area by breadth. So that based on that only. Length, here this is L. L means length. Length of what? Tarpaulin cover required to cover one suitcase. To cover one suitcase, what is the length of the tarpaulin cover? If you wanted to know total surface area of the suitcase, that means what you got, that complete total surface area. From this formula only we are writing area of what? Total surface area of suitcase. So that we have to write, and B for breadth or width, whatever it may be, width of tarpaulin. We have to take total surface area. We got here 13,824. That you write. Width of the tarpaulin is given in our question 96 centimeter. That also we have to write. So 13,824 divided by 96. Division process. 13,824 dividing with 96, you are going to get 144. 144 you will get. When you divide 13,824 with the 96, you are going to get 144. 96 2 times, 92 times is 180, 2 6 times 12, 192. Here 138 is there, so 96 one time, 96 only. Subtraction 8 minus 6 is 2, 13 minus 9 is 4. 42 is not divisible by 96, so take down these 2, so it is 422. 96 5 times, it is 450, crossing 450. 96 4 times, let us see that 96 4 times, 4 6 are 24, 4 9 are 36 plus 2 38. 384 is less than this. When you are taking 96 5 times, 5 6 are 30, 5 9 are 45 plus 3 48. 480 is crossing 422, so we will take only 96 4 times is 384. 2 minus 4 not possible. Borrowing 12 minus 4 is 8. Here 1 is left, 41. So this will be 41 minus 38 is 3 only. 38 is not divisible by 96. So take down one more digit, that is 4. 384 is exactly divisible by 96. Reason 96 4 times is 384. So 96 4 times is 384. 0 remainder. So what is the quotient? 144. So when you divide 13,824 with 96, you will get 144. This is the length of the tarpaulin. Since it is length, we can write centimeter. Breadth is in centimeter, so length is also should be in centimeter. So therefore, this is the length of the tarpaulin required to cover one suitcase. But we need to cover 100 such suitcases. 100 suitcases. So one suitcase purpose 144 centimeter. 100 suitcase purpose, length of tarpaulin required to cover 100 suitcases, that particular 100 into 144. So 144 is multiplied with 100, you will get 14400. Length of the tarpaulin cover required is 14,400 centimeter, and if you wanted to convert in meters also we can do it. 100 centimeter is 1 meter, so that we can write 144. Like this we can write. From here directly you can write this 100 centimeter means meter, so 144 meter, hence 144 meter of tarpaulin is required.